All right. Toncoin gets a Pantera investment. So look, you guys have been hearing about Ton. Oh, and that's another thing I want to tell you, right, about my whole little pep talk cheer up session for everybody, for all you little worker bees. Look, I want you all to remember these things. These blockchain, these distributed ledger technology services providers. Hold on. I got to pause. 1 second. Bang. All right, we're back. All right, so look. So we were talking about Ton here, and so, yeah, everyone's been hearing about it lately. It's been doing great. When we do have gains, it's gained way up there. Let's just read about what's going down. Ton achieves $10 billion in daily transfers, sparking Pantera Capital's investment plans. So, Pantera Capital is like kind of one of the big sort of, I think they're kind of like VCs, but I don't really know. I don't know. Let's just read. They're more stock market thing. I'm a currency trader. So look, Toncoin's daily transfer volume has reached $10 billion, equating to 10% of Bitcoin's volume. The number of Ton token holders has grown tenfold to 32 million in a year, driven by its integration with Telegram. Bang! The open network Ton daily transfer volume has surged to an impressive $10 billion. His on-chain analysis from CryptoQuant reported, okay, we don't give a fuck. I wanted to just show you, where's this thing about Pantera Capital investment? Basically, that just says Ton is doing well. All right, let's get to the investment part. Let's get to the chicken of the story here. Let's get to the chicken. Transaction volume. All right, so transaction volume is growing. Blah, 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 blah. Here's a chart of it. Look at the growth. Bang, bang. And you've noticed, Ton, for those of you who watch this channel, properly, every time I put out a video, you've noticed Ton has been in like the top 10 usually of profits lately. Numbers speak for themselves, don't they? All right. So, growing number of Ton token holders. All right. So, more Ton holders. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Let's read about it. The number of Ton token holders has seen a substantial increase, now standing at 32 million. This is a tenfold growth from the 2.9 million holders a year ago, indicating Ton's rising popularity and adoption. This growth in user base is a testament to the increasing trust and reliance on Toncoin with the cryptocurrency community. All right, let's just go back up for a second. All right. Just wanted to see something. Incentive programs and strategic partnerships. In April, Ton launched an incentive program aimed at rewarding Telegram users with 11 million Ton. This initiative has significantly contributed to the rapid increase in the number of Ton users. Oh, I see. They grabbed a whole bunch of Telegrammers, and now they're kind of hooked, all trying to get some Ton incentives. Okay. So the incentive program is part of Ton's broader strategy to enhance user engagement and expand its reach within the Telegram ecosystem. All right. I see what they're doing. They're expanding their reach in the Telegram ecosystem through incentives. So additionally, Ton has been strengthening its partnership with Tether, focusing on expanding the adoption of the stablecoin USDT within the Ton ecosystem. This strategic move is designed to provide Ton users with a stable and reliable cryptocurrency option for transactions, further boosting Ton's usability and attractiveness. Bang! Absolutely. People will be using that Ton blockchain to move their USDT. That's utility. That shows use. People are going to use it. Use the blockchain. All right, so blah, 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 blah. Okay, so the popularity of the game Notcoin, where users can earn token rewards, has also played a role in driving the growth of Ton. By integrating gaming with cryptocurrency rewards, Ton has tapped into a dynamic and growing segment of the digital economy. Toncoin's market Okay, so bang. So digital economy. And then we don't talk about price here. So bang. Wait. There's a little bit more before we do the release, bang. So this news comes amid reports from Slow Mist that phishing activities targeting the Tong ecosystem have surged. So this is a be careful, Tong users. Phishing activities targeting the Tong ecosystem have surged, with scammers exploiting Telegram's decentralized nature. Attackers are infiltrating messaging groups to distribute phishing links, often using deceptive methods like airdrops to steal users' Tong wallets. Shan highlighted that Telegram's high level of freedom, well, it allows these phishing attempts to proliferate. And that's what I'm talking about. Like, I get it. People want freedom and liberty and all that. Yeah, well, when you give too much freedom and liberty, well, scammers come because they know they're open to get you or get people, right? So there's a trade-off, right, with these kind of open concepts of do whatever you want and there's no moderators and no nothing, right? Consumer protections are at a minimal at that point. Anyway, just something to think about. Anyway, Shan highlights that Telegram's high level of freedom allows these phishing attempts to proliferate, putting users at increased risk. Yes, indeed. So, bang. But anyway, Toncoin has been flying lately, and there we go. $10 billion in daily transfers. Where's the Pantera Capital's investment plan thing, though? That's what I really wanted to read to you about. I thought there was going to be something about Pantera. I mean, they literally did not even mention the fucking name Pantera in this whole fucking article. So they tricked us, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Right? Where's this Pantera thing? I don't know. Maybe they're saying, I don't know, man. Let's just move on to the next story.